area fire, it's easy to create a water reservoir with the Watergate water barrier. Unroll it next to the stream or directly in the stream. Prepare the surface where the water barrier will be installed by making sure to pull out tall grass to reduce water seepage under the barrier and make it more stable. The barrier installed in the stream will either settle at the bottom or float on the stream. There's no risk of it being carried away by the current. This is where the magic happens. All you have to do is unfold the barrier's flap and quickly push it down to the bottom of the water. Hold this flap down at the bottom of the water with your feet. Meanwhile, use rocks taken from the bottom of the water and place them all along the front of the barrier's flap to prevent water from flowing underneath the barrier. Here's the difference between the small stream and the nice big water reservoir that was created in just a few minutes with the Watergate water barrier. No matter how strong the suction is, it's impossible for the barrier's fabric to get sucked in. And on top of that, your water will be gravel-free. Removing the barrier is extremely easy. Lift the front corner of the barrier and it will automatically slide out. It's clear that the Watergate water barrier is an absolute necessity that every fire station should have. Remove the barrier from the water, making sure there's no water left inside. Lay it flat on a straight surface, fold it, and roll it up. It's as simple as that, and it'll be ready for many more uses. You don't need to be strong to carry the Watergate water barrier.